guys, sorry for the crazy hair. I had my hair in 3 of those sock buns for heatless curls, and in context, my hair does not curl at all with like a heated device. This is actually like a good thing for me, but right now it's looking kind of crazy. I look like I'm either from the 80s or a lion. Thanks, I guess. I'm doing this video just for document my maintenance that I usually get every month, and I'm going to be doing like my hair because in 2025 I promised myself to like be more gentle with my hair, so I'm using less heat. I'm also like being very gentle with it. I bought like a wide tooth comb now, so I'm trying to like not pull my hair out after every shower when I do brush it. I'm trying to like get a moisturizing treatment every 3 months. I think that's the aim. I had it in January in Korea, and it's now like the 2nd of April, so I'm trying to do that again. I'm also going to be doing my nails, and fingers crossed I'm going to be doing that today. It's just very difficult to find a nice place here in London. And don't judge me, but here is the state of my nails. So it's actually really pretty bad. And I have like really dry fingertips as well, sorry about that. So in context, I had my nails done in Korea and I was very happy with it. I'll put in a video now. So as you can see, it was really nice, actually the best nails I've had in my life, I think. But when I got back into London, obviously I had it removed because it was just the right time. And the guy that did my nails really thinned out my nails, and they are just so brittle and not strong at all. After a few weeks, I got my nails done again, and the nail tech, bless him, didn't do a good job. So after a week, I actually just took it off myself, and I really don't want to be spending like 45 pounds on something that I'm not gonna be happy about. So that's a bit difficult, but I also don't want to be walking around with bad nails, and I can't do my nails myself, unfortunately. I don't know how to do that, so that's that. I am also going to be, fingers crossed, having a facial. I just don't know where and what to get. It's just because my skin is actually doing better lately, and I noticed before that when I used to get facials every month, my skin did or was acting up. So I don't really know if I want to go through that again. And I'm also going to be doing like blood tests done and things like that, which I usually do once or twice a year. I haven't gotten the chance to do that this year. Come with me, and I hope you enjoy the vlog.
You love when I jump right in. All of me, I'm a foreign. Show you what devotion is. Deeper than the ocean is. Wind it back, I'll take it slow. Leave you with that afterglow. Show you what devotion is. Deeper than the ocean is. It's the way that you can ride. It's the way that you can ride. Think I'm at to win another life, so break me up another time. You wrap around me and you give me life, and that's why night after night I'll be fucking you right. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday.
Hey guys, so as part of my maintenance vlog, I also wanted to show you guys what I do for my brows, which is I basically laminate them myself at home. I got this from Amazon and I have actually been really loving it. I have to be honest though, I'm not diligent when it comes to doing this. But I'm gonna try really hard to just keep on doing this because I really feel like it makes such a huge difference. Like this is the before, and sorry for the lighting as well. It's like 11 p.m. and I just got back from work. As you saw, I had really nice dinner. It just has like the steps. And sorry for the background noise. I'm watching a YouTube video. I'm watching Livisa right now.
Night after night, I'll be fucking you right. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, 7 days in the week. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, 7 days a week. Every hour, every minute, every second, you know, night after night, I'll be fucking you 7 days a week.
Do like 9 to 5, I'm the weekend. Make her lose his mind after weekend. Do take Wednesday, Thursday, and just send him my way.
So that is it, you guys. This has been my maintenance vlog, and I ultimately decided not to go for a facial and instead to go for a massage. So that is it, you guys. Thanks for watching my maintenance vlog. I know I said I wanted to do a facial at the start of the vlog, but I realized that since I stopped having facials, like in January, my breakouts have been lessened. I think it's now April and I've only had one episode of like breaking out. My skin isn't perfect, but I think I'm better off not having facials. So I've decided to substitute that with a massage instead because I really do love thigh massages. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video, and that's it. I'll see you next time. Bye.